Good day, everyone. This is my first podcast. Preparing for the college entrance exam is an important step toward achieving your educational goals. It requires planning, discipline, and consistency. The first step is to understand what the exam covers. Most college entrance exams include subjects like mathematics, science, English, reading comprehension, and sometimes logic or abstract. Knowing the topics help you focus your review and avoid wasting time on areas that may not appear on the test. Once you know the exam coverage, create a realistic study schedule. Divide your study time by subject and set small, manageable goals. For example, dedicate certain days to math, other days to science, and set aside from a reading and language practice every week. A, consis- uh, a, consi- a, con- a consistent schedule helps you avoid cramming and ensure that you review all subjects truly. Practice essential solve, some simple tests, online quiz, and past exam question to get familiar with the format, time limit, and difficult level. Review your mistake carefully because understanding where you went wrong will help to improve. Using multiple study materials such as textbook, review books online, video or attending review classes can also strengthen your understanding or difficult topics. While studying, take care of yourself. Eat healthy meals, get enough sleep, and take a short breaks to avoid stress and burnout. Balance balance is key to keeping your mind sharp and focused. Before the exam day, prepare everything you need, your ID, pencil, snack, and test permit. Arrive early at the exam venue so you have time to relax and calm your nerves. Remember, confidence comes from preparation. Trust your study, stay focused, and do your best. With dedication, planning, and good study habit, you can increase your chance of success in achieving your dream of getting into the college you want. That's all.